55 Mercury. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that baby. Oh my God. The best car on the whole show. Beautiful. Peter, go sit down and take a ride. Wow. What year is this, Pedro? What year is it? It's on the dashboard. 1931.
This is the guy here that did the wood.
Oh.
Designer and builder.
Well, guy, you know on YouTube.
On YouTube.
So you did all the woodwork.
I designed the car and did something. There's two carpenters working on it. I didn't do the wood myself.
Wow, this is beautiful, man. This is gonna be the best car on the whole show.
I think you're right.
Oh yeah.
Okay, zoom in on this.
The owner is a baker.
He did the wood burning on that.
Oh, that's the guy that would. Okay.
It's a head of grain or of wheat. Head of wheat.
Wow, this is so nice.
Because the owner is a baker.
Let me see the inside of it.
See inside the ceiling and everything.
This is nice.
You want to drop the so he can also see the what's that?
The rod likes it up.
No, just so he can see. Just because he's
We're going to open that in the back for you.
here. He's going to show you the back of this.
It's tough, eh? What's happened?
Yeah.
The wood is swelling in here.
Yeah.
So how regular you had this on the road before?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Wow, this is my God.
Open the lid.
Oh, there's
Let's not get the roof. The roof is off.
so that's with the battery?
Battery is in there.
That's the car battery right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gotta bend in and get the roof. It's all open wood.
Yeah, you can.
Wow. This is nice, man. How long it take you guys to decorate this thing?
Years.
So it took about two full years to do the wood. The car's been going for about 5 or 6 years. Yeah.
Do you have a picture of what it looked like before you did all the work?
There's pictures over here, but there was no car before we did it. This is all built from the ground up.
Oh, okay.
The only original part is the cowl here.
Is this part. That's the only original part.
That's what we started with.
There's the final drawing,
Good design, yeah.
and then the mock-up with 2x4s.
That was it. That's the only part of the car.
That was the only
That's the
part.
original.
Yeah, that's it. That's the only original part. So really, it's in
The frame is all
2012.
built. The frame is fabricated.
The bottom, yeah. So it'll ride low.
So in the winter time, you must have a good storage for that thing, eh?
Oh yeah. It's called a trailer now.
That's Sherry's car.
Yeah, no. I'm the silent part. Very silent.
This thing must be what, at least 60 grand right now.
More than that.
More than that.
More than that.
You guys should go to Hollywood, man. You guys should go to Hollywood, get this in a movie or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a badass gangster.
Oh yeah. This is real nice, man. Real nice. This is one of the best. This is the best. This is the best. Right, Peter?
Very nice.
It's got to be the best, man. Go sit in there. Let me take you out in there.
Pardon me?
Can you go inside?
Sure.
Yes. Let me just take you out. So that's what you will look like in 1930. So we're going back to 1930. All right. Thanks, man.